So you think the Earth is curved?
Oh, wait, you serious? Let me laugh even harder.
Ha ha ha. I laugh at you, dear viewer. I'm gonna tell you what they've been hiding from you. Who's they? Them. Those scientists over at NASA have been feeding us images like these for years. No wonder why they need so many graphic designers. They need someone to design these images. Now I know what you're thinking. What about all those images we have of people in space? Well, check this out. Bam! I'm orbiting the Earth. Oh no, I better put on my space helmet. Bam! Oh, and now I'm on the surface of Mars. Anyone see Matt Damon anywhere? Oh, and now I'm in the Illuminati headquarters. Pope Francis, what are you doing here? But let's be real. How do you, yes you dear viewer, know that the Earth is a sphere? Forget what you're taught in school. Let's think critically. Be sure to put on your anti-mind control helmet so the man can't get you. And let's jump in. Well, if you hadn't tested, you'd find out it's all lies. And we've known this for years. This all comes down to something known as the Bedford Level experiment. See, off in jolly old England, in the town of Welney, there's a river called the Old Bedford River. This is England, so basically everything is old. That's why we have New York and New Jersey. Anyways, 150 years ago, Samuel Rowbotham conducted an experiment and discovered that the Earth is actually flat. There was a stretch of the river that was incredibly flat and incredibly straight. Hashtag super straight river. Now we all know the Earth is curved, right? If you're standing on the Jersey shores, why can't you see Europe? Well, that's because it's hidden behind the curve. And this works for shorter distances too. Standing alongside that river, over the first mile, there should be a curve of 8 inches. Over the second mile, 32 inches. And by the third mile, 72 inches or 6 feet of curvature. I'd give these units in metric too, but let's be real. It's only Americans who believe in the flat Earth anyways. So in 1838, Rowbotham waded into the river, pulled out his telescope, and planted it 8 inches above the water. He then watched as his friend sailed down the canal with a 3-foot tall flag. Based on the curvature, that flag shouldn't have been visible after about 4 miles. But even when the boat got 6 miles away, the flag was still visible, even though it should have been almost 3 feet below the horizon. Modern flat Earth scientists have tested this theory again and again, and it seems no matter where you look, the curve is nowhere to be found, and you can see miles further than you should. So yeah, don't believe everything you're told, dear viewer. The Earth really is flat. Be sure to join us next week while we explain why gravity as you know it is a lie. Be sure to join us next week while we explain how no one actually landed on the moon, if it's even real.